What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Each Computer Solutions. So I got another requested video. Look, a lot of people that have the LG V40, they love their device. They love the cameras on here. We got 3 cameras on the back, 2 cameras on the front. But we got the new kid on the block, the LG G8. Listen, 2019 G-Line flagship. But how does it hold up between the LG V40? Let's go and do a camera review between both of these devices. Look, I love both of these phones. But can the LG G8 beat the LG V40? Let's find out. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready. I'm out here in the park having some fun, and follow me on this journey. Let's go. All right, guys, so this is the video portion of this video here, right? I got the LG V40 and I got the LG G8. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press record, and you're going to see what I see, and I'm going to give you my commentary on what I'm seeing on both of these screens. Now remember, the LG V40 and the LG G8 both have AMOLED displays, so I'm going to kind of get a pretty decent accurate as I'm looking at both displays. So let's go on and hit record on both phones. Boom, boom. All right, so I hit record on both phones. Now, you have to remember that the LG V40 has 3 cameras and the LG G8 has 2 cameras. But when you're recording, I can only go in and out with the V40, and then on the LG G8, I can actually go out instead of in. So it's a little funny on both devices how this works, right? But when we're looking at both the displays here, both of them look absolutely amazing. When we're looking at the sky, the LG G8, I mean, looks beautiful. A little oversaturated, I mean, deep blues and stuff like that. The LG V40 also looks good, but I think it's a little more accurate compared to the LG G8. But I mean, God, both of them look absolutely amazing. All right, so when we're looking at the sky here, both of them looks good. You be the judge for yourself for looking at both of these cameras. I can tell you from my point of view, the LG G8 look a little darker than the LG V40, but I mean, they are absolutely amazing. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom all the way in on both devices so we can see the clarity on both devices. All right, so let's see if we can get part of that tree right there down a little bit, and let's zoom in on the LG G8 here. Let's see if I can get that tree in there a little bit and zoom all the way in. All right, so that's 8 times zoom on the LG G8, and let's see on the LG V40. All right, so it has 10 times zoom on the LG V40. Now, when we're looking at this, obviously, I'm looking at a lot of artifacting with the LG G8, but the LG V40 looks good. I mean, it really looks good. It's a lot closer up than the LG G8, but I mean, it's shaking a lot more than the G8. But let's go all the way out here on both devices. Okay. Let's go all the way out. Okay, now this is funny here, right? On the LG G8, I'm able to go ultra wide angle lens, but on the LG V40, I'm not able to go ultra wide angle lens. As you can see, I am ultra wide angle lens on the LG G8, and I'm as far as I can go on the V40. So let's go back here to as normal. All right, so we're looking at that. You be the judge for yourself. Now let's go and scroll down a little bit. Let me look at the grass here. All right, so looking at the grass at these devices here, let me see if I can zoom out a little bit so I can get both devices right in the same characteristics. All right, so when we're looking at this, I tell you, wow, both of them look absolutely amazing. The white looks really good because it got sandy part of the ground right there, but the grass looks really good. I mean, you really can't go wrong with both of these devices. I mean, they look absolutely amazing. So if you have an LG V40 and you thinking about upgrading because of the cameras on the LG G8, listen, man, what I'm seeing right now is zero differences between both of these devices. The only differences that I see with the LG G8, the LG G8 has an ultra wide angle lens that you can do as you record, but the LG V40 is a phenomenal phone for what I'm seeing, and both phones could do 4K 60 and all the bells and whistles. All right, guys, so this is 4K on the LG G8 and the LG V40. I want to do this quick video here to show y'all guys some 4K footage. Let's go down and turn around here. I'm gonna go audio from side to side real quick so y'all guys can hear the audio on both devices. Now, one of the strongest suits of having an LG phone is not in auto mode. It's got to be in manual mode where you can adjust all your ISO and white balance and all that good stuff like that. So, but I'm shooting this in auto mode, and so y'all guys can see this. Look at the sky. Look how beautiful that sky is. It's a nice windy day out here, so you're gonna see some, hear some wind, but I want y'all guys to see this, and I'm doing this daytime only. I'm gonna do a dedicated nighttime video, but I want to do this daytime only 4K footage here with both devices. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. So this is the LG V40 and the LG G8 right here, 4K. Boom. All right, guys, so this is the front-facing camera of the LG G8 and the LG V40. I'm gonna go audio from side to side so y'all guys can hear the audio on both devices. Listen, man, me looking at the viewfinder, both of them look good. Now, I would give great kudos to LG for stepping up throughout the generations to make a front-facing camera a lot better. Now, they do have some special features that the LG G8 has that the LG V40 does not have as far as portrait video. But, you know, it's kind of hit and miss. But you be the judge for yourself when looking at these cameras. And, hey, it is what it is. But as far as me looking at the viewfinder, both of them look good. I could give the edge a little bit to the V40 because the background does look a little more blur than the G8, but hey, it is what it is. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the LG G8 and the LG V40. See you guys on the next video. Peace. I like that. Peace.